Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you why you should use Spreadshirt and if it is better than Redbubble or Teesprings. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to spreadshirt.com. Now once you're over here, you just simply have to sign up. Now when you come over here onto Spreadshirt, you're going to notice that create option and you have the shop option. Basically create is for the people who want to create their design and they can start to monetize their design and use that design to earn money on Spreadshirt. Whereas the shop is the normal option where people come over to shop different products such as stickers or books or posters, hoodies and stuff like that. So let's just click on start selling, and over here you have basically two options in front of you. You can either sell on the market or you can open up your own spread shop. Now both of these have their own benefits, but the one thing that you need to note is that Redbubble or Teespring does not offer you such options. Basically, if you want to sell your own design onto that site, you don't have to create a shop, you just simply sell on the marketplace. But if you have your own shop, you can control a lot of things, such as you can choose which products you want to sell, the look and feel of your own store, and you can have higher commissions and you have more perks normally than when you sell on the marketplace. So that is a plus point on Spreadshirt. So simply click on open your own spread shop, wait for a couple of seconds to load up. Now over here you just simply have to enter in the name of that shop, its email address and its password, and then just simply click on I'm not a robot, and then just simply click on get started, and that way you'll have created your own spread shop. So I've already created a spread shop, so I'm gonna go ahead and skip this part, whereas you have to go through with it. After you've done it, you'll basically arrive at the options that I will be showing you guys in just a second. When you've basically created a new account, you'll basically arrive at this dashboard, and over here you'll simply have to create a product and set up your spread shop, and then just simply activate your shop. And as you can see, I've already done the first two, so let me just go ahead and show you how you can do that. And we also have some other perks in there that are better than Redbubble and Teespring. So you have to first create a product, and you can do that by simply clicking on create a product option over here at the top. But since I've already done it, I can't click on it, so I'm gonna have to go over here at the design on the left side of the dashboard. So when I click on it, it'll take me over here. Now as you can see, I haven't uploaded a design, although the dashboard said I did, but I deleted them. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload a design so that this video is done in a step-by-step manner and you don't get confused. Simply click on browse and upload your own artwork. But if you're not creative enough to create your own artwork, you can just simply download some free artwork on some other public domain websites. And that's basically what I do, since I'm not really good at creating artwork and graphics designing and stuff like that. So this website that I use is called Raw Pixels. I'm sure you've heard about it in some of my previous videos, because this is a very amazing website. You can basically get all the images that you want, all the stock images and videos and stuff like that. And right, you can also get some retro images as well. So click on public domain at the top and you can start downloading. But before that, you will have to join, and it's free, of course, so you don't have to worry about that. Simply click on public domain, and over here you'll have the option of all these different artworks, and you can simply go ahead and download any of them that you want, and we can start uploading our design. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this one over here, which is Drotsman's alphabets. Now the another great thing about this is that they also give us a small introduction to the artist who created these artworks as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and download some of these, and I'm going to use them on my print on demand product. So let's just go ahead and select this one over here. Now over here, as you can see, we have a couple of different options as well. So you can download in this smaller size, you have the large size, and then you have the original size. Gonna keep it original, and I'm simply gonna click on free download. And as you can see, I haven't signed up yet, so I'm gonna click on the login option over here, and I'm gonna simply log in with my Google account. Now this is my account. As you can see, I've downloaded some of these images before. Let me just download this one. I forgot about this one as well. This one is pretty cool. It's just a white background with a skull on it, so I'm gonna use this one. I think this is pretty cool. It'll look pretty awesome on a design and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload this image that I've just downloaded. Click OK, wait for the image to upload and complete it. That's basically it. Wait for it to be processed a little bit so that we can get a confirmation whether it was eligible for this website or not. It takes a couple of seconds, and it's, as you can see, it's processed and it's ready to go. Simply click on this image over here, and over here, this is the main part that I wanted to show you guys. This is the part where Spreadshirt differentiates itself from all the other competitions. So basically, you're going to have all these different products in front of you that you can sell as of right now. But the problem is that these aren't the only items that you can sell. If you click on the all available products over here, you're going to have all these different products that you didn't thought were available at first. Redbubble and Teespring doesn't have all these different options. They basically have limited options, so which is kind of sad because there are also pretty amazing websites, but when it comes to customization and options, I think Spreadshirt is the best. So over here you can choose the colors that you want. So I'm going to choose the colors that I want my products to be available in. So I'm going to choose white, and I'm going to set this color as default. And as you can see, these are some of the colors that I've chosen, but I don't want to sell it in orange, so I'm not going to choose select as default. And that's how you basically choose all your products in white. So I chose white because it looks pretty cool. So go ahead and choose all the products that you want to sell on your store, and once you've done that, just simply click on done, and that's basically it. Now you're ready to sell these products online. We have our stickers, we have our shirts, we have our unisex baseball t-shirts, we have our aprons, we have our tote bags and face masks as well. Let's just simply click on next, and we've chosen our product. Then you have to name that product. So I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it White Skull. And then down below, you have to give a small description about the item. And then you have to add in a couple of tags. So 3 tags are the minimum at least, but you can go up to 5, I think, or more. No, I think you can go up to 15 actually. So 3 is the minimum amount that you need for your product to be available onto the public eye. So I'm going to remove the default tag, and now I'm going to enter in White Skull Ape. We've got cool, retro, we've got goth as well. So these are some of the tags that I chose. Then you have to give it a small description, as I said before, and you can also make the background white as well, just to get a better feel of it. If not, you don't have to. Once you've completed this section, just simply click on the create option over here, and then you can just set up your spread shop. So as you can see, I've already set up my Spreadshirt. This is how it looks. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. And over here we have some general ideas. We have page settings, we have appearance, we have prices and promos. So I'm going to go in appearance, and over here I'm going to change the logo. So I'm going to delete this one, and I'm also going to delete this one as well. And I'm going to upload the logo that I have over here. And once I've uploaded it, so this is the logo that I want to keep. So let me scroll down a little bit and click on apply, wait for it. And this is how it looks like, as you can see over here. Now we can also upload favicon images and invoice logos as well. And we can choose whether we want to have the logo or the shop's name. So I think having the shop's name looks better at that. Now, this is an option that you don't really find on other print-on-demand websites, because not a lot of print-on-demand websites give you the option of creating your own shop, and especially Redbubble and Teespring. And even if they did give us the option, they don't give us as great of an option as you can get one on Spreadshirt. So you can basically customize everything over here. Now this is how it will basically look like. As you can see, it's pretty minimalistic. You have your name over here, you have your menu over here, and then down below you have your products with the prices and the name and the colors and the other variations and stuff like that. So once you have completed all of the requirements, what's left for you to do is simply launch your site. And you can launch your site by clicking on this launch shop button over here, and then your shop will be active and you can move on. So I'm going to go ahead and click on shop, and over here you have to basically give some details and then you'll be done. So basically you can choose if it's a company, then enter in the company name, your first and last name, country, state, address, and zip code, city / town, stuff like that. Then simply check this box if you agree with the terms and conditions, and then just simply click on done, and that's basically it. After that, your shop will be online and you can start selling and earning money, all while staying at the comfort of your home. So in this video I basically told you that Spreadshirt gives you better options in products, gives you the option of creating your own website, and gives you more commission, but also has less taxes as well. It does all the things that other print on demand websites do, but only better, and gives you a little bit more options as well. So that is it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as I can. And having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.